Hello everyone, this is Benjamin Ferrer with HIPPO valve. Today we are going to introduce our new enhancement on screwless retainer ring, which operates with more ease of maintenance. Here are two of our high-performance butterfly valves. This one is the pin lock type retainer ring, and this one is the thread retainer ring. Basically, they are the same. They have the same look, they have the same life cycle, they have the same dimension, and they have the same performance. The only difference is the internal shape of the retainer ring, with pin lock or with thread. The original version, as you can see in my hand, has a pinhole on the side. It uses a pin to fix it in the right position. If for more details, you can refer to our YouTube tutorial. Our new design, the enhanced version, has no more pinhole. Here there are threads. This enhancement reduces the number of parts, lowers the complexity of the whole assembly, which makes any repairs easier. Now we are going to demo how to replace a valve seat. You can find all our details in our operation manual, which you can download on our website or just watch our YouTube channel. Okay, let's start. You can watch this tutorial video or look at the instruction in our maintenance pack in the maintenance manual. We just need a marker, a retainer ring remover, or anything that can push the holes on the retainer ring. Step 1, mark the relative position. Step 2, open the disc slightly, but be careful, do not open it fully. Because if fully open, it might hit the disc and cause some damage on the disc, which could cause some leak. Step 3, make sure the points are aligned and rotate. Okay, now you can remove it and use a dry cloth or air pressure to remove the dirt. After cleaning it, you can put it on a soft cloth to avoid any damage. Step 4, remove the valve seat and check if the body or the disc have any damage or dust. Our disc is treated with hard chrome or Stellite 21, so it should be easy to identify any scratch. Our butterfly valves are designed to be interchangeable between soft seat, metal seat, fire-safe seat, etc. With this maintenance pack, we can change easily between the different types of seats. Step 5, make sure the new seat is clean before putting it in. Now put the retainer ring back and rotate and check the marker is still there. Finally, after checking everything is in the right position, you can close the disc. Very simple, we are done. Okay everyone, thank you very much for watching. Today we introduced our newly designed thread type retainer and how to replace its seat. I hope you enjoyed the demo today. If you have any question, you can send them to engineering@hippovalve.com. See you next time.